Start recording?
Yeah, I am.
Bloody wedge is too wide.
Fucking carnage, man!
That's not quite what I expected.
Jesus Christ, dude. I thought it would take out that tree, but not that much.
Did we get anything important?
Oh, I've got the whole lot.
No, did we get anything important?
Yeah, nearly that heap of shit Commodore.
Oh, it's only a VK.
Hey, dude, you don't need firewood for a while.
No dents.
That tree is broken.
Yeah.
Man, I didn't think it would wipe out that other tree too, but it took it right out.
Yeah, well, that shows how bad that other one was. Because it snapped 2 other branches already.
Yeah,
Big ones.
far out.
Why
Awesome.
did this cut the tree?
Sweet. Did you find your log?
Um,
Dad.
hey, dude, you'll have to Bluetooth. Oh, you'll have to Bluetooth me this.